How do I update my payment information for my Apple Music Family Sharing Plan?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we will guide you on how to update your payment information for your Apple Music Family Sharing Plan. Apple Music is a popular streaming service that allows you to enjoy unlimited music on your Apple devices. If you're part of a family sharing plan and need to update your payment details, follow the steps outlined in this video.
Accessing your Apple ID settings.
The first step is to access your Apple ID settings. To do this, open the Settings app on your device. It's usually represented by a gear icon and can be found on your home screen. Once you're in the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Your Name at the top of the screen. This will take you to your Apple ID settings.
Managing your Apple ID.
In the Apple ID settings, you'll find various options to manage your account. Look for the Payment and Shipping section and tap on it. This is where you can update your payment information.
Updating payment information.
In the Payment and Shipping section, you'll see your current payment method listed. Tap on it to view and edit your payment details. You may be prompted to authenticate using your passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID for security purposes.
Choosing a new payment method.
After authenticating, you'll see a list of available payment methods. If you want to update your payment information, tap on Add Payment Method. This will allow you to add a new credit or debit card to your account. Alternatively, if you already have multiple payment methods on file, you can choose one of those by tapping on it.
Entering payment details.
When adding a new payment method, you'll be prompted to enter the necessary details such as the card number, expiration date, and security code. Fill in the required fields accurately and make sure to double-check the information for any errors.
Verifying payment method.
Once you've entered the payment details, tap on Next to proceed. Apple may require additional verification to ensure the security of your account. This verification process may vary depending on your region and the payment method you're using. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification.
Confirming the changes.
After completing the verification, you'll be taken back to the Payment and Shipping section. Here, you should see your updated payment method listed. To ensure that the changes are applied to your Apple Music Family Sharing Plan, go back to the previous screen and tap on Family Sharing.
Checking family sharing settings.
In the Family Sharing settings, you'll find options to manage your family members' access to shared content, including Apple Music. To confirm that your payment information has been updated successfully, tap on Payment Method. This will show you the payment method associated with your family sharing plan. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your payment information for your Apple Music Family Sharing Plan. It's essential to keep your payment details up to date to ensure uninterrupted access to Apple Music. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.